What are the fetal causes? Fetal causes can be vasa previa, very, very dangerous. 6 months ago, I delivered a patient by cesarean because of vasa previa. Now, obviously, it was not diagnosed. We did an ARM, that is artificial rupture of membranes. She started bleeding. I thought, okay, sometimes when you're rupturing the membranes, there may be some little capillaries of the cervix, and sometimes your instrument even touches the cervix, which is very vascular. So initially there may be a little bit bleeding and then it stops. But it didn't stop, and the fetal heart started going down, 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 and that was very, very horrendous at that time. So we rushed her to the sonography room, and I actually checked that yes, the fetal heart was really going down. I was not kind of picking up some other sound, because in the uterus, when you're doing a fetal heart sound, suddenly if it goes down, you feel that maybe you are listening to maternal beats or the bowel sound. There are so many other things, uterine souffle and umbilical souffle. But then we confirmed immediately that the fetal heart was going down. Immediately she was taken to cesarean. The baby came out absolutely white. It lost almost, 50% of the blood. But thankfully, our neonatologist, our pediatrician was able to save the baby by immediate blood transfusion. So that is a very horrendous condition, and the fetal mortality is very, very high. So we'll come to this in the next chapter. Vasa previa, or it can be simply indeterminate. We don't know the cause, indeterminate. Okay, so there may be some causes causing fetal bleeding, bleeding from the fetus, but we don't know what the cause is. Vasa previa is simply the capillaries of the arteries of the fetus are traversing the membranes, and that is overlying the external. Also, when we do an ARM, then it can cause bleeding, right? So that is you can say an abnormal type of umbilical cord insertion. So we'll come to that in the separate chapters when we talk about placenta and umbilical cord. All right.